And so now we're going to do, as an example, one of the homework problems that I assigned a few days ago. Problem number 9 on page 149 of your textbook. And we want to find y prime, the derivative of the implicit function y, by doing implicit differentiation. So as we've done before, we're going to take the derivative of each term of this equation, term by term, doing the derivatives one step at a time. So we'll start with the first term, x cubed. The derivative of x cubed is 3x squared. Now, the next term is x times y, which is a product, and it's negative xy. What we're going to do is factor the negative sign outside, and then inside parentheses we're going to do the product rule for x times y. So the derivative of x is 1, and we multiply that by y, plus x times the derivative of y, which is y prime. So then we're going to take the derivative of y squared, and so using the chain rule, there's an outside function, which is the squared part, and then we're going to take the inside derivative, which is the y. So here's what we get. First of all, the derivative of the outside part multiplied by the derivative of the inside part, which is y prime. And then on the right side of the equation, the derivative of 7 is 0. Okay, so now let's distribute that minus sign again. So we have 3x squared minus y minus x y prime plus 2y times y prime equals 0. And so at this point we want to keep every term. There are 4 terms here on the left side of the equation. We're going to keep the 2 terms that have y prime in them on the left side of the equation. And then the other 2 terms we're going to move to the right side of the equation. We're also going to reorder things a little bit. And when we do that, we get 2y y prime minus x y prime is equal to y minus 3x squared. Okay, so we're going to copy this last equation and move it Let's try that again. So we're going to copy this equation and then move it to the next page. So there it is. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to factor y prime from both terms on the left side of the equation. So on the left side of the equation we get y prime multiplied by 2y minus x. And on the right side of the equation we still have y minus 3x squared. So then our last step is to divide both sides of the equation by the quantity that's inside the parentheses. So we get y prime is equal to, it's going to be a fraction. Our numerator is going to be y minus 3x squared. And then our denominator will be 2y minus x. And that is it. That is the solution to our problem.